You're so close. I think this last section's not going to take you more than like a minute or two. So let's do it. We are just checking through highlighting. I am on page 2 of the assignment, right? And you've got to make sure that you've got call to action and innermost cave highlighted and a simile and or a metaphor. So let's do the stages first. Innermost cave is going to be yellow. All right, I'm going to scroll down. I get stuck in the woods, right? Because my dumb self decides to go out there by myself. All right, I'm going. The light began to dwindle. I'm getting really desperate. And then I'm in between as the light crept back in. That was my transition. The light began to, that was another one. This is really kind of my deepest, darkest moment. So I'm going to highlight this whole paragraph in yellow. Yours might be a paragraph, it might be a line or two, it might be half a page. Innermost cave, yellow. All right. You got innermost cave. Let's move to call to action. So call to action is going to show up in that initiation or in that departure stage, right? This is what is the invitation here. And if you don't have it, I want you to write it. So I'm in the very beginning of my paper. Right? What will I do with myself today? I tell my friend, want to go snowshoeing. Can't, I have to work. Okay. So I don't really have a line that's like, I'm going to go on and do this on myself. So I'm actually going to add one to make it really clear that there's a call to adventure. What should I do? I thought to myself. Was I strong enough to go do something like this on my own? Maybe it's time I found out. All right, and then I'm thinking, so I'm putting this in italics. What should I do? Also in italics. All right, so, and then what's the color? Blue. There it is. I decide to go. Call to adventure. Okay, I've got a little hesitation. Am I strong enough? But then I'm gonna do it. Take a moment, hit pause, highlight your call to adventure in blue now. All right, welcome back. We've got, those are the only two things from the structure that we need to highlight. Everything else, we want a simile or a metaphor for 3 out of 4, or simile and a metaphor for 4 out of 4. Remember, you got vocab notes on what those words mean if you need them. Okay, I know that I put something in there in setting description. A great place to put in simile and metaphor is setting description, also character description. Oh, this was it. The snow hung on the trees like a small child to its mother, both desperate and comfortable. All right, so simile is going to be purple, metaphor is going to be like kind of that orangish salmon color. So I've got a word like here. That means it's a comparison. That means it's a simile. What color is simile again? Purple. Cool. Highlighted. And let's do it. There we go. Now I don't have a metaphor in the rest of it. So I might say something. What could I do? Maybe I could add in a metaphor with my character description here, or I could add it in with setting. Let's see, let's go back. Her eyes glowing with cheer. She was a bright light in a sea of dim snow, right? I'm not saying she was like, I'm saying she was. I'm gonna highlight it, and then metaphor, that kind of orangish color, boom, done. I've got 4 out of 4. All right, check through. Those are the 4 things you're highlighting. Good luck.